You want more confidence in your life in an area. Well, I want to touch on this in today's episode from something that's really helped me build confidence in an area that you can apply to other areas. So, welcome back to the Men's Mental Health podcast. So, I was on stage the other day. I got asked to give a testimonial and share my story, and I was talking in front of 500 people. And the thing was, I was sat there and I wasn't even fazed by these people looking at me. Now, I want to share this because there was like a girl, like a few to my left, who was admitted she was very nervous about speaking. And she was incredible. They were all incredible, the people I was with on stage. And then she spoke to me afterwards. We had a great conversation, really beautiful human being to speak to, as were pretty much everyone in the event, or everyone I got to speak to. And I just want to get through this bullshit that people come up with of, I'm not confident, so I can't do that. No, confidence comes through taking the action and creating the belief in yourself that I want to share. The reason I could sit there in front of people, like I was at a stage where even to say my name in a meeting with about 8 people in the room, I would have been terrified, gone bright red and embarrassed. Right? And that's how my lack of confidence was socially. Really shy. Now I can sit comfortably in front of 500 people and just talk. And that does not happen from just it magically, me being born like that, magically like that. That is crap. If you're like, oh yeah, people are just confident, that is an illusion you've created in your mind. You have the ability to be very confident in front of people. People come up with these crappy labels like, I'm an introvert, I'm not an extrovert. There's some very confident people who term themselves as introverts. An introvert is just someone, well, I won't even go into definitions, but like, why do we give ourselves these labels? Stop giving yourself labels, right? It's not doing you any favors. So the two things I've realized that have helped me with confidence, and now I make podcasts to like millions of downloads, right? Are one, you got to take the action even when, and especially when you're scared, right? People think there's a way around that. There is not, right? You'll never get, like I've had people say, I've got imposter syndrome, I'm scared. It's like, yeah. We've all got those self-doubts, right? People think they're special because they've got self-doubt, right? It's not about pushing it under the rug. It's about sitting with it and being with it and going into those. But at the same time, take the action anyway. And then the second thing is become very conscious of the stories you're saying. If you're saying, oh, this is hard, this is tricky, oh, I'm going to be an embarrassment. Well, then you're going to act more in accordance of that. So become very aware of the story you're telling yourself as well. So that's what I really wanted to share very quickly on today's episode on building confidence in something. Take the action even when you're scared, and then celebrate when you do it. And then also become very conscious of the story you're telling yourself and change that as much as possible. So thank you for listening. I appreciate you for being here. And remember to lead with your heart and not with fear.